All right, we're going to do notes on arcs and central angles. So go ahead and start copying this down in your spiral notebooks. All right, so first of all, we're going to talk about the types of arcs. There are 3 types of arcs that we're going to refer to. So the first one is a minor arc. That arc is less than 180 degrees. And so if I give you an example, arc AB is an example of a minor arc. It has a degree measure less than 180 degrees. And then this is the symbol, just AB with an arc drawn over it. The next one would be a major arc. A major arc is an arc that's greater than 180 degrees. And so we look at the drawing here for this symbol for the arc ACB. And remember, we trace through in the order the letters are given to us. So this is arc ACB. It is greater than 180 degrees. And then our next arc is a semicircle, which represents half the circle. Both of the endpoints of the arc are on the diameter of the circle. And remember, the diameter is the distance all the way through the center going from both ends. And so an arc is equal to 180 degrees. A full circle is 360 degrees. So, of course, a semicircle would be half of that. And in this case, you do the symbol arc ACB, and that would be a semicircle going through half of the circle. Next, we're going to talk about central angles. Kind of gave you a diagram to start with. So a central angle has its vertex at the center of a circle. Okay, so that means the end point is at the center of the circle. The 2 sides are radii of the circle. So that means AB is a radius of the circle B, and BC is a radius of circle B. The sum of all central angles, so if I add up all central angles around the circle, they should add up to 360. And so, for example, angle ABC is an example of a central angle. So to find the degrees of arcs formed by central angles, the degree of the arc formed by the endpoints of a central angle, so in this case, if I use this picture here, it would be arc AC, is equal to the degree of the central angle. So the central angle, which is angle ABC, is 84 degrees. So that makes arc AC equal to 84 degrees also. Because there's the central angle, and that's the arc that is formed by the endpoints of the central angle. So arc AC is equal to 84 degrees. But knowing that all central angles add up to 360, I can find the measure of arc ADC, which if you trace through, if I use another color, ADC, so arc ADC, which is a major arc, is equal to 276 because I know the entire circle, all the central angles have to add up to 360. So if this is 84 and the rest of it makes up arc ADC, then that has to be 276. So I just did 360 minus 84. And that's how I got 276. All All right, so make sure all of these notes are copied down and we will go over practice together as a class.